Lucas Sports e ko mbedi mo kura bi kura e bre ye bra e se bari ye wo bia no otam kutu say de ne pa e bro from 30 so we mo isiri mu nkan sim bia ye fabricate story bia wa ha story bia ba bia ne from original source and so you can face out we ye Kotoko we ye Hasofuku we ye bia no ba bi bia ra team bia support bia no ye be bo mo de anse e benya ho nsem bari bia news no bia so no na ye dia bro ma so what de ko so
abuzanfo ye mo bi akwa ba e de ba dache hene Kwaku TV so ene dua yi ebre asese ye de agokanse mu nsem ebre ma wo dache hene Kwaku TV so we ye fisem nko a ye purely local sports tentem so ye be sha se free eliga eko so na wotwe etwa mu no which is game 31 no see na results ni bi ekoye isu atreman etena fi echi Retamale United ehene ka ba ko a wantimi ansimu adabraka Bechem United so etena fi echi Lagos City ehene ka ba ko mo no so antimi ansimu adabraka Accra Lions so etena fi echi Aduana ehene ka miensa mo no so antimi antibi Hasofo so etena fi ema media ma ekohene ka polpol enum ma hasofo etimu ba ko Kimfesa enso so etena fi ema FC Samantha se be ehene ka mienu mo no so antimi antimu adabraka Dims FC enso so etena fi echi Brekum Chelsea ehene ka mienu mo no so antimi ansimu adabraka Carla United enso etena fi ene Accra Great Olympics ekwantipenku ewo Bibiani Gosta enso etena fi echi Tamale City ehene ka mienu mo no so antimi ansimu adabraka ana Kotoko Royals etena fi ema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ekohene ka miensa mo no so etimu baako ewo after match day 31 see na league table no akwakoye Medium ahuri edikan with 53 points Aduana etoso mienu with 52 points Bechem United etoso miensa with 51 points Asante Kotoko abetoso 9 with 47 points Brekum Chelsea etoso enum with 46 points Bibiani Gold Stars etoso ensian with 45 points Hasfug akotoso enson with 45 points Samates 1996 etoso mwotwe with 45 points Accra Lions etoso enkron with 44 points Dims FC etoso edu with 41 points Lagos City etoso du baako with 40 points Carla United etoso du mienu with 40 points Nsu Atrema etoso du miensa with 40 points Retamale United etoso du 9 with 40 points Tamale City etoso du num with 39 points Great Olympics etoso du nsia with 39 points and Kimfesa etoso du nson with 36 points and Kotoko Royals every tour with 23 points and so hono Laryea Kingston former Hasford player former Ghanaian international ese ohun say Asante Kotoko any Hasford enye eniema right input things right esan say na ma league no kura no aye bibio hono na opotoka Accra de okanyina ne say Has and Kotoko should hire the right people that understands the game. Has and Asante Kotoko are the two big teams in the country. They should try to do the right things. Try to hire the right technical people. Bright management that understands the game. They should also have a game plan so that they can build a team to dominate Ghana and then Africa within 2-3 years. They should have a plan. I don't think both teams have a plan now. You can't just get up and say we are going to win the league without having a proper plan and also think about building something. I can tell you that both teams have not built anything for the past 5 years. Every season players will go, players will come, thinking you will be able to do something. No, they should be able to have a plan for 4 or 5 years to be comfortable to play in Ghana and then Africa. When you are Brantia, I friend like Kingston so edu tudwa enso e wo hono me. Hasbro board member Alaja can be so say on the who say has team no enye bad sir. It says every player at Hasbro will be a starter in any team in Ghana. So no one can blame us that we had a bad recruitment. We were kind of repair FM. Alaja can be so someone or can former German international, World Cup winner and FIFA World Player of the Year. Lothar Matthaus has joined Accra Lions Football Club as a board member and a shareholder. I say that enso so e wo san say enya Lothar Matthaus man ne e wono so de ninim de ne na ho de ne sika e bewura Accra Lions mu a ebebo ma Ghana football so atimi akonkan na o de nsem bi two players nanim de okanyina ne say I like to spend all my time in football. I want to give back to the community. I want to help with my experience. we know the football a bit longer than you, so you can always come to me or anyone else in the team. And isn't someone Lothar Matthaus so edit to ja ti omo unveiling no the training grounds our head Tanko Ibrahim we dey chire and say the place na ni asiaje de nchia ho na say asem da Accra Lions so ate eno no we na owura ye fa ne Kotoko e GV president so say ohwe de ekoso ne niema esisi ni so far yenya abrofo a wo mo betim be so yetim ni bia ohun say we can see a vision unfolding. The partners Oliver Conning and Lothar Matthaus are winners, so the club will become winners. Essentially, Ghana football will become a winner. And so, in someone, also the two jobs. We can say we have overachieved in our almost 4 years in charge of Ghana Football Association. Owura friend Kurt Okreku and this assembly to just say, who is a mandate Ghana for the man, a mere 4 years in who say we achieve amanabro so nyina asensebe enso so ehonum mama we say last week we breaking was as emergency obe tournament bi under 16 tournament bi ewo ha na ntia yet ni say wo se yenhwe ni mu ewo super sport essence say games ni bi ebe show ewo DSTV so wo say it start here. Our case will be on super sport during the baby jet under 16, one of the biggest platform for any up and coming footballers to exhibit his or her skills. Thanks Super Sport TV for coming on board. And in some way, if you get to over. Under 23 AFCON pre-tournament campaign so far, Ibrahim Tanku Atunen Safe 22 players. Near Dala Ibrahim Wa Aziz Dari, Aaron Esse, David Opon, Hafiz Ibrahim, Samuel Ashikwe, Yaya Muhammad, Razak Yusuf, Dede Ishmael, Emmanuel Ajay, Kwesi Upong, William Eso, Auguste Randolph, Nu Tanku, Dominic Sobila, Salifu Samari, Sylvester Simba, Isa Kuka, Emmanuel Apau, Gofero Poku, Suraj Said, and Derek Fojo. We need 23 man squad. Nei Ibrahim Tanku Atwensa Edia from Ghana under 23 no. Mama we say Bet Power Premier League ebe course this weekend. Eda fiada no media ma ebo ne de o chicken face session come unu mo no team back on e ho no. Memenda games ni bi ni aduana bet na fie ne Dreams FC ede atentam so e ho. Tamale City so ebe ten fie atwen FC Samantes. Kwase da Lagos City bet na fie atwen Accra so folk. Bibia ni Coastal so bet na fie atwen Kotoko Royals. Dukum Chelsea so bet na fie atwen so Atreman FC. Ena RT so bet na fie atwen Bechem United. Great Olympics so better na atwen Accra Lions and Edadwo da Krobia Kumasa Asante Kotoko so better na atwen Karela United aha and breve ma da chini kwa kukwan amode mo si e wo da chini kwa TV so oba so na nya subscribe ya na odaro ma na subscribe. Until then, stay focused and stay blessed. I love you all. Bye bye.